Are you overwhelmed with admin tasks? You're not alone. Many property service businesses struggle to manage their operations efficiently. Tradify is here to transform your daily grind. With our software, you can cut admin time by 10 hours a week. Experience seamless quoting, invoicing, and scheduling, all in one app. Our easy-to-use platform impresses customers with quick quotes and automated reminders. You save time and enhance professionalism. What sets Tradify apart? Our dedicated support team offers free training and 24/7 assistance. Don't wait, start your free 14-day trial today. Come see why thousands of tradies trust Tradify to streamline their businesses.